The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoy this video and podcast. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. Thanks for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video we discuss the different types of corporations available to business owners in Iowa and how to choose which one is right for your business. So there are a number of benefits a business owner can take advantage of by incorporating her business, but the two primary benefits are going to be protection from personal liability, and that's probably the biggest reason to incorporate your business is to protect yourself from liability. Shareholders of a corporation and members of an LLC ordinarily are not liable for the debts of the corporation. This is important when the company invariably gets sued or runs into financial trouble. Though suing the company can only recover assets that are owned by the corporation or LLC, leaving the assets of the individual protected. And then you have tax benefits. Incorporating allows certain tax benefits to shareholders and members of an LLC, including tax income benefits and employment tax benefits. So C corporations are the most common choice for large companies. They offer liability protection and other incentives, but the tax benefits are not as great as S corporations. C corporations are essentially taxed twice. The corporate profits are taxed at the corporate level and then taxed a second time when the company pays individual distributions to shareholders. One of the primary benefits of C corporations, and the reason it is used by large companies like Bank of America, is that it allows an unlimited number of shareholders. S corporations provide similar liability protection to C corporations, but are not subject to the double tax structure of C corporations. Taxes pass through directly to the individual shareholders' tax returns. What this means is that any profits and losses are passed on to the shareholders and recorded on their personal tax forms. Commonly referred to as an LLC, a limited liability company provides some of the limited liability benefits of an S corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. LLCs are a great option for smaller companies who want to be taxed as a partnership or as an S corporation, but don't want to keep the rigid business formalities associated with C Corps and S Corps. Most businesses in Iowa are actually set up as sole proprietorships. These are owned by one person who is responsible for the day-to-day business operations, owns all the assets and profits of the business, and assumes complete responsibility for all the business's liability and debts. Essentially, the company and individual are one and the same under a sole proprietorship. In partnerships, two or more people share ownership of the business. Partnerships are easier and cheaper to start, but it's still important to have a clear business plan and legal agreement between the partners that explains how decisions will be made, owner percentages, how to resolve disputes, etc. So how do you choose the right business entity? So when choosing the right business entity, there are a few questions you want to consider. So 1, how much liability you and other principals are comfortable with. 2, how can you make the tax advantages of each business type work most in your favor and possibly avoid multiple layers of taxation. 3, how will you raise capital funds and attract potential investors? 4, do you want to be able to offer ownership to future employees? 5, what type of business entity is appropriate for the amount of profit the business will generate? 6, where do you perceive the company will go in the next 1, 5, and 10 years? So if you have questions about choosing the right business entity, don't hesitate to give us a call at 630-324-6666 and speak with one of our qualified business attorneys. As always, thanks for tuning in.
Hi again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you found this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We have several geographic locations for your convenience, and we offer free consultations in many areas of law. Thank you so much for watching and listening.